We're gonna have a little fun today. Time to put the 46 back on the ground. We have to get this thing back on our four wheels. I have a trailer and we're gonna roll it to my house. We are in my grandpa's shop, my grandpa. We're up here in my dad's shop. That's where we do all the big projects, but I'm gonna pull the cab off and drag the frame home so I can finish boxing the rest of it, and then I can work on it during the week a little bit. Because I'm not getting it done fast enough. So hang in there. We're gonna bolt all this new pretty stuff on. Okay, so here's a little review. 04 Tahoe, 5.3, Vitec goodies. And I took the original 46 frame last fall. We chopped it up, we boxed it in, and I got a Mustang 2 crossmember from Speedway. Most of this stuff came from Speedway. I went with the tubular A-arms. Again, they're not the most expensive, but they're better than the stock Mustang 2 stuff. A little bit stronger. Went with the coilover. And then I hit CPP for the outside. These knuckles came from them, and the cool thing about them, it upgrades the old Mustang Spindles and comes with a modern bearing. It says it's a Corvette bearing. And the cool thing about these, I was able to get it in the 6-lug Chevy bolt pattern. I know these wheels aren't going to fit, but I wanted to keep that. And I need to shut the camera off and bolt this on, and then I'll show you the brakes. About time you showed up. Check it out. So, there's my hub. Nice. So this also came from CPP. This was a kit. Drilled and slotted rotors. Careful up there, monkey. What do you think? That look badass? Yeah. What have you been drinking?
That's a question for another time.
Bolt washer. It's kind of shitty. You gotta kind of work it.
Oh my god.
There you go. Hit her home.
Hit?
Yeah, don't hit me.
Oh, hit
the bolt.
I don't know where it is.
Ooh, you're getting her. Oh. Somebody had to put that sway bar mount right there.
Video.
Ready?
No, I don't know what I'm even doing.
Alright, I'll help you. This goes first. You got it? I'm just gonna give it to you.
Yeah.
You got it all.
Okay, that's the furthest it'll... Oh, no. That's the furthest it'll go.
Okay, now this goes up through there. Ready? We're gonna lift it up.
Alright. It's lined up.
All the way. Okay. Rubber. First.
Here?
Yep. That.
It is not tight.
Is it not even catching the threads? There. Okay. And then you put this on. I'll feed it through the bottom, okay? Right here.
Right here?
Through this T-slot.
Oh.
Now you gotta put the red over top.
There you go.
Is it kind of tight? Finger tight? Here, we'll do the other one. How we doing?
Yeet.
Here, let me get.
Right it.
This is hard to do.
And how'd you do it before?
I did it by myself on the other side with one hand holding the camera. First try. You might have to kind of. There you go.
Easy.
Wiggle it. Cool. Give him a couple cranks. Kind of start in the middle of our adjustment and see where it lands. Now you can go crazy with it. Don't slip off and bang your knuckles. This is the knuckle. Bottom hole, bottom joint. And then we gotta do the same right there. Whoo! Okay, we gotta drop the camera. Right in here.
Alright, I got it.
Right in here.
It's on the knuckle bit.
I know. You're gonna be funny. Grandpa's here. And great grandpa's here. Flip her around.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Looks good.
Thanks.
There you go.
Ready? Okay, you hold it. I'll get the bolt in there. You like the red?
It's gonna look sharp when you get all of it together. What's the frame gonna be?
I'm not sure yet. I thought the red would look good because it would stand out if anybody peeks underneath it.
Yeah. Looking good.
And that's what the calipers are red too.
I see them on your, same as on your car, Justin, pretty much.
No, these are bigger.
Okay, oh, that's,
You got it?
Yeah. I'm guessing this goes like probably there or something, or on my knuckle again.
You can get that brake rotor behind you. Just don't drop
This
it.
way.
Yeah. Right over the 6 lugs.
Have it. Yes. Oh, one hit by me.
yeah, that'll hurt, yeah.
Here, you want to push it on for me? Flat all the way? I'll just get one of these on for shits and giggles.
So you're gonna put the tires on tonight?
Yeah.
Take the jacks off, just see what it does?
Yeah, see how it looks. Drive it. Take it out in the yard. And then I want to take the body off if I can today.
Outside.
Yeah, get a little more room. And then I can come back and take the frame home. That should be good, E. We'll bolt the wheels on and it'll stay. I like it.
It doesn't fall.
0 sugar. I think you've had enough sugar today. Your lips match your eyes. But anyway, this is the last part.
I do not have blue eyes. Do I though?
Look it, we went Mustang 2 rack, but we upgraded to the T-Bird rack, which will handle the higher pump pressures that come with your modern engine. So we don't have to put the check valve and deal with all that kind of garbage. We can just bolt this guy up and go. Ready?
Yeah. Right.
Take a nut off and pull it, or you got it, Justin?
I don't know. First time I've had it all together.
That'll hold it up. You gonna drop for you now?
One thing I know is that lower crank is pretty tight.
It's not rubbing, eh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's touching. That'll be good enough for now. Those spacers might be a little too much. I might have to take them to work and mill them down in half that space.
It needs to come in. Pull the tie rod in.
Here.
There, E. What do you think? Spacers. We gotta do something about that pulley. That sucks. Want to put the wheels on, set her down?
Yeah.
It might not be bad. When
Yeah,
it's,
yeah, left. They say go slow, but you got her.
nothing.
Did the oil pan hit the ground? Does that drag out? Can you pull it out? Wow. Yeah.
Well, you mean at the top?
Yeah, the tops can come in. And then those are adjustable coils too. I can crank them up.
This one here looks a little out qualified. And that one looks, this one looks this way. Well, they both tipped out.
yeah.
Does that mean I need more weight?
Well, the A-arm is adjustable. This
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta take it to a shop. That's way down the road. Wanna roll it out?
Yeah, sure.
I got a guy at work that looks like that. We call him Walleye. Can't tell if he's looking at you or not. Here we go. How are we doing? That is low. That's cool. Yep. What do you think, man?
Yeah.
Ready? No, get it in the car first. I gotta get a picture.
Yeah, it's just heavy. It's hard.
It's working. Keep going. You got her. The ride's here. Okay, hold on, E. Stop. Time out. It's caught on something. Okay, there you go.
Put it back in.
Keep going. You got another couple inches. Then we should be able to just drive it right out.
Oh, we got it. Yeah.
Or push the whole thing over. That's probably good, dude. Okay, that's it for today, I think. We got everything separated again. Got it on all four. Cab's in the back. We're going to push that in the back now and just concentrate on this. I want to continue boxing the frame, get a little better transmission mount, and then most of my budget this summer is going to that pig there. And do something with the rear end. 4-link, still not sure what. If I'm going to rebuild that 12 bolt or maybe put some more Ford parts in there. We'll see. I already got a Ford gas tank. Sorry guys, it is what it is. And then some pony car front end. Yeah, we'll come back with the trailer. That'll be next. See you, citizen.